Alright, so this is Ben Broer with lab number 3 for 250A. As you can see here from my circuit, I have two sensors rigged up right now. I have the encoder right here and the IR sensor. As far as the patch goes, I basically have both sensors coming in through the serial port, and then I'm playing a sample back and mapping these two sensors to manipulate the sample. What I'm going to show you first is the patch without the IR sensor patched in, because I just want to show you what the encoder does. Basically, it is mapped up to the playback position of the sample. The sample is actually from Lab 1. It's one of the OOD samples. It was already on my Beagle board, so I just left it on there and used it. So this guy's mapped up to the sample position, where basically the play start position of the sample. You'll notice that it only plays if I turn this encoder knob. Let me take it back to the beginning really quick here. So there's the beginning, and then you'll notice if I turn it, it's kind of like you're going in slow motion through the sample. It just basically starts it over at a point further forward in time, and I can rewind it all the way back to the beginning there, until you hit the end, in which case it goes to the very end. So now I guess I'll patch in the IR sensor. Alright, so the idea with this, the IR sensor is right now mapped to the playback rate. So I basically intended it to be so that you can kind of control the pitch of what's being played back by having your hand closer or further away to the sensor. It's a little erratic, but it kind of sounds cool when you use it in combination with the encoder. So you'll notice there it's sort of in the higher range. Let me take this back to the beginning, and then if I get a bit further forward, if I put my hand not over it at all, it's down lower. So yeah, you can kind of play with that. It goes kind of crazy a little bit, but sorry, I guess my hand was blocking most of that. I guess you can't really see it. Anyway, so yeah, that's pretty much my lab right now. I was trying to do more with it. I worked really hard on it. I was trying to get it so that I could actually scrub through the file with the encoder backwards and forwards. Ran into a lot of problems, so hence why this is a little bit late. But yeah, that's my lab. Thanks.